deduction
Yeah.
dito kay Oquendo because of that knockdown. But I thought that Sonsona was winning
Winning the
that
round.
round. So a very interesting round to score.
Round 9. Well, he got 3 low blows.
Ayan po ang scorecard natin. Kaya po na 8 na knockdown si Sonsona. 9 naman. Dapat 8 lang si Oquendo rin.
Yeah.
Ang problema, he scored a knockdown. So, bumalik yung deduction. So, very tough fight to score. Oh, Oquendo is now on the attack. Could it be that the body punches of Oquendo
And the low blows.
and the low blows are taking their toll?
Sonsona has to, like Buboy says, he's got to dance around because 1 minute in between rounds is a little difficult, you know, to recover from the 2 low blows and also the knockdown.
Oh,
he's down
another
again.
right hand. Sonsona
He's in
is in
trouble
big
now.
trouble now.
He's in big trouble now. He was
And
winning
I
the
don't
fight.
think he's gonna. I think he's all fatigued right now. Oh boy,
He's out.
Sonsona's gonna give up.
Oh, that's a major disappointment.
Major disappointment. Mga kaibigan, lamang po ang ating bata. Si Eden Sonsona. Very impressive. But you have to give credit
To Oquendo.
Oquendo. He did not give up. He did not give up. Sa ating pong unofficial tally, lamang po sa scorecard si Eden Sonsona.